And so I glue the tails on first, okay, because I do want them at different lengths. I added more cotton flowers. These are real flowers. I did coat the song with matte finish. It is called Home Over There. Oh, think of a home over there, by the side of the river's light, where the saints all immortal and fair are robed in their garments of white. Over there, over there, oh, think of a home over there. Over there, over there, oh, think of a home over there. It's talking about heaven. What are you making?
Just decorating this.
Okay, but you're covering up the piece.
I know.
Okay. Alrighty, thank you for watching the slideshow, and we will continue, and please subscribe to our channel. I think I'm about finished with Easter decorations after this wreath. Bye. Oh, by the way, this will be up all year long. Over there, real cotton flowers. It's a farmhouse style wreath for Easter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Just stay tuned. We're on to Mother's Day.